Today, for the news, HyperX expands its microphone lineup with a new great model. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want, take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. HyperX offers a great band of gaming peripherals like a mouse, keyboard, headset and much more, among which there is a large choice of microphones. Currently, the HyperX microphone lineup is composed by 3 models: QuadCast S, QuadCast and SoloCast, but now is added a new 4 model called DuoCast. The DuoCast fills the gap between the entry level and the high bracket of the lineup and is placed among us the SoloCast and the QuadCast. As these latter, also the DuoCast is a USB microphone and it comes with all the most loved features, all included in an unswammed design. It is set in a low-profile shock mode that reduces the pickup of unweighted rumble and vibration, and comparing to that of the QuadCast S is a little bit smaller and contained in the dimensions. Plus, for those who want to use their own mode, in the box includes an adapter. The mic feature a RGB light signature customizable via HyperX NGENUITY Software. Unlike its big brother QuadCast and the QuadCast S, it has only, so to speak, 2 polar patterns, cardioid and omnidirectional. Among its controls, similarly to the QuadCast and the QuadCast S, with a simple tap of the top we can deactivate it. The convenient knob positioned on back as a double function. The first is to control the gain, while the second is activable with the press of the same button. This implementation allows us to pass from one to the other and select one of the 2 polar patterns available easily. Always on back there are the USB port for linking it to our device that remember you that is compatible with various platforms as PC, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Mac and is Discord and TeamSpeak certified. In addition, there is one headphone jack through we can listen our audio when, as an example, we record it. Furthermore, the HyperX microphone was designed to recording a high-quality audio without any kind of noise thanks to the use of high-res 24-bit depth and a simple rate up to 96 kHz. An interesting thing is that the microphone is equipped with an internal pop filter which ensures to record a perfect clean audio without all of those noises which are part of popping effect, like this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. In conclusion, for those interested to the HyperX DuoCast USB microphone, this is available on HyperX online and at the retailers at a price of $99.99 US. Well, that's all for today. Waiting new updates. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching. See you again next time.